Hey guys, so I just ordered a wireless USB adapter, and it is a TP-Link model number TL-WN821N. Back here. Here are the features. Alright, I'm going to unbox this. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh god, let's go. Come on. Okay, here it is. Driver CD. Purchasing guide. More purchasing guides. Quick installation guide. Yep. And the Spanish guide. Alright, so nice packaging. It's got the let's see, USB cable extension. So yeah, here it is. Here's the wireless. Let's get this thing out. It feels really light, obviously. Alright. Looks like it's good to go. Thanks for watching.